How to delete your Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can delete your Facebook account in 2023, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you'd like to delete your Facebook account in 2023, all you have to do is simply go ahead, first of all launch the Facebook app here. Once you launch the Facebook app, tap the three lines option from the top right, and then over there you'll find the settings icon, so you want to make sure to just tap the settings gear icon. Once you tap the gear icon over there, what you want to do is just go to see more in account center option, and as you come to this page you want to simply go to this option known as personal details. Once you come to personal details, go to account ownership and control, and once you go to account ownership and control, there you'll find deactivation or deletion, so you want to make sure to tap on it. As you tap on deactivation or deletion, just select your Facebook account here and then just select delete. Your account is permanent, so just go ahead and tap on delete and then tap on continue. Select a reason and then just tap on continue. Just tap on the continue option again. After you've done that, just choose the options, scroll down, tap on the continue option to delete your account. Final step, just enter your password and then your account will be successfully deleted. This way you can delete your Facebook account. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.